Hello folks, I'm going to do a quick update here, and then following this here we're going to have our onion harvest. Carolyn drying dill and basil and parsley. We got a new, instead of Dixie, it's Garfield here today. Hello buddy. Dixie's down there catching mice. Why ain't you down there helping her? Yeah, when we was cutting corn this morning, Dixie run down through there and she caught her a mouse and killed it. Dispatched it, I should say. Let's start this off here with Shelby. Please continue keeping her in your prayers. As you can see, I got a mic on today. It's the mic that comes to this camera. I've noticed there that the sound was kind of low on everything there, so thought I'd wear that this evening. Now Garfield, you ain't gonna be able to get in front of us, buddy. All right, quit whipping that tail around through there. Come on over here. Yeah, I'll rub you. Garfield, he's a cat that's been around for, gosh, a bunch of years. But anyway, please continue keeping Shelby in your prayers. She's at the top of my list here. Carolyn didn't even need to write that down. But please continue praying for Shelby and her family. And I've not checked the last little bit. I haven't gotten an update today. But if I hear anything, I'll let you all know. Stay put, bud. We're going to have to go find Dixie here in a minute if she don't come back up here. This week, the weather has definitely cooled off. As you can see, I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt out here. Sun's starting to go over the mountain. It's about like it used to be. When that sun starts going down, need to get a jacket. I believe it was 41 yesterday morning, I believe it was. This week we've been working on fence. And we cut up some more wood this week. We picked some more corn. As far as tomatoes, tell you what folks, hold on just a second. Alrighty, had to go find her. That's one of the bad things about living near the road there. You don't know if she's what's gonna go through her mind. She take off down through there. But anyway, let's see. Let me go back over this again. We had our biggest harvest of the tomatoes and everything this past week. We should have one more harvest of the tomatoes, and just roughly, we didn't weigh them or nothing this year. Altogether, I think we've gotten, I believe probably, yep, there's our other, there. Dixie's on the scene now. But altogether, I believe this year so far, total, we've probably got between 6 and 7 bushels of tomatoes. Counting up all them little baskets and everything that we picked, we've probably gotten 13 or 14 of those. And there'll probably be at least another, just looking down through there, probably another bushel of tomatoes. Nothing happens to them, which ain't too bad. Like I said, a few weeks ago we noticed the blight starting to hit them. Let's see, we picked some more corn, if I ain't already said that. Kind of lost my train of thought there. I was kind of bouncing around on Carolyn's notes. Monday nothing happens. Well, Carolyn will have video up of her Sloppy Joe canning it up, and we've already tried some of that and it's been good. It was on that, we used some of it there the other day on that Sloppy Joe pizza. It's just a lot better than store-bought, or our opinion it is. Let's see, got the onion harvest I think on here, the second part of it. But other than that, that's about it. I'll shush up here and I gotta go up here and get the goats all gathered up. They're on the hill. I'll take some animal crackers up there, and they'll come down, knock me down for right there. We ought to film that one evening there. Some of them ones, they think they're going to miss out on it. But if I missed anything, we'll catch it on next week's. And I hope y'all have a blessed day. Stay safe. Hope y'all have a blessed weekend. And Lord willing, be seeing you Monday. Now, we'll put in here, Carolyn's made a video for the last part of it here. Folks, thank y'all for watching. Alrighty. We have already dug a bunch of these onions, or pulled them. Carolyn has used them in the cannon and everything. She's got to come up here and get some more. She's come up here already once today there. But all these ones where their necks are broke over like that there, we're going to go ahead and pull them and put them out there and let them start drying. And then the ones that's still going good, we'll leave them and let them keep growing. All doing is knocking the dirt off the roots. But once they break over like that, they're not going to grow no more. And lay these on the back of the side. We've used a lot of onions this year.
And these are the biggest we've ever grown too.
Yep, these here's the best we've ever done. And like I said, we grew these from seed. Walla Wallas, I believe they are.
Yeah.
Now, of course, there is some smaller ones. As you can see, we still got quite a few left in here for now. And then here you can see our pile. Like I said, I'll show you in here in just a few minutes how we're going to dry them out. Alrighty. We're just putting it in one of these little stainless steel shelves you can buy. I can't remember where we bought this one from, if it's Lowe's or Walmart, Sam's, can't remember. Just thread the green parts down through there. You'll be able to get quite a few on top, and then we'll probably skip down to the next shelf down here if we need it. We've got some more over here. We'll show you the finished product here in just a minute. Alrighty, we've got them up on there now. Step back where you can see the whole thing there. Now this here will probably take about 3 weeks once these get dried up, the blades on them. we can get them down there then. We went ahead and pulled the rest of our onions up, given cooler weather next week, and a lot of these, the necks was starting to break over, so we just went ahead and got all of them. We'll store them on the front porch too until they dry out.
Okay, we got the herbs back to the house. We're going to wash them. I just usually get a bowl, put some water in, and just kind of swish them around. Now I'm going to lay them on the towels to dry. I do have a salad spinner and I didn't think of it at the time, but that would have been good just to use a salad spinner. They would have dried faster. Here I've got them all on the dehydrator trays, and it won't take long to do these. Probably it only took a couple hours. And now I'm going to just put them in my food processor to crush up. You can use your blender, anything just to crush them up. And also for drying, you could put them in your oven on the lowest setting for a few hours and just keep a check on them. At first I started emptying the trays on this silicone mat, but it kind of stuck to it in places, so I just started putting it on the countertop, and it was a whole lot easier to get the herbs off of the countertop and then put in the food processor. Here I'm just breaking off the long stems and that was left. Now I'm going to just put them into the jars. And I'll do the same thing to the basil and to the dill. Now I'm going to use my vacuum sealer to get all the air out, and this here works really good. I'll try and leave a link. I think we got it on Amazon, and it works really great. I had to put this in another jar because it wouldn't work on this jar. It was an older one. So we switched out jars on this one. And there you have it, spices made right out of the garden. Won't have to buy these at the grocery store. I want to thank y'all for coming along for our update and our onion harvest and drying these herbs. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.
Down on the farm where the green grass grows, we're thankful for the love that everybody knows. It's another day under the white blue sky, with the sun shining bright and the time drifting by. Homeland's homestead where the story unfolds, our hearts full of laughter and our memories go. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee. At Homeland's homestead, we're never alone. With every view and every share, you make this place home. From sunrise to sunset in fields so wide, with family and friends, we've nothing to hide. We're building our dreams one day at a time, with each gentle tune and each heartfelt rhyme. Oh, thank you for watching from near and far. Your support, it brightens just like a star. Don't forget to subscribe, it's always free. Join our journey, come share the glee.